In this video, we're going to answer one crucial question: how to access 24/7 travel support in Navan. If you're someone who travels frequently or even just occasionally, knowing how to get real-time, efficient support when you need it most can be a game changer. Stick with me till the end to find out how Navan can simplify your travel management and save you both time and stress. Navan is an incredible tool that provides businesses and individuals with a way to manage their travel needs all in one place. With their 24/7 support system, you have access to a team that's ready to assist you anytime, anywhere, ensuring your travel plans go off without a hitch. And the best part, you don't need to spend hours searching for assistance when a last-minute change comes up. You simply need to access the support features within Navan and you're covered. Now, you might be wondering how you can make use of this support. Navan makes it incredibly easy to get in touch with the right people at the right time. Through their platform, you can reach support teams via chat, email, or even phone. Whether it's a flight cancellation, a missed connection, or just general travel inquiries, their 24/7 support has got you covered. What's truly unique about Navan is how seamlessly it integrates with your travel experience. With a few clicks, you can access the help you need without disrupting your schedule. And since they're available around the clock, there's no need to worry about time zones, late night issues, or whether someone will be available when you need them most. But Navan doesn't stop there. The system is designed to be intuitive, so even if you're new to the software, you'll feel comfortable navigating it right from the start. The dashboard is clean, and everything is laid out in a way that makes sense. From booking flights and hotels to managing expenses and accessing 24/7 support, everything you need is right at your fingertips. If you want to take your travel experience to the next level, Navan gives you tools to keep your trips organized, from tracking real-time updates to handling unforeseen changes. You're also able to streamline processes for your team or employees, so no one is left scrambling when issues arise. With features like automated flight change alerts and direct communication with support staff, you can rest easy knowing that you're never alone in your travel journey. And here's the best part. You can try out Navan completely free. That's right. With the link below, you'll get access to an exclusive extended trial, letting you experience everything this software has to offer with no commitment. Take advantage of this offer to discover how easy and stress-free travel can be when you have 24/7 support on your side. So, if you're ready to access 24/7 travel support in Navan and see how it can simplify your travels, head to the link below to get started with our exclusive offer. Don't miss out. Your travel experience is about to get a whole lot easier.